Hello everyone, this is Aloha Robert and welcome to my room tour at the Grandview Las Vegas Resort. And here we are greeted with this nice living room. And it comes with a table. And then right here we have the kitchen. And it comes with the refrigerator, the stove, the microwave oven, and man, this is nice. Very modern. Here we go, the living room. And it comes with the TV. Very nice. Let's move around. As I'm panning, you got this little coffee table right there. You got the sofa. You got some lamps. I even got a phone. So I'm good to go. There's the TV, more cabinets, and then some nice pictures and stuff. And here we go. We got the kitchen. Let's go inside the bedroom. You are greeted with this queen size bedroom. Oh yeah, that's nice. And we got a TV right here, folks. Wow. You can't go wrong. And then we have the tub. And we have the bathroom. And we got the shower. Very nice. It's nice and clean. You got the toilet. And I got some sinks. And I got some amenities. I got some toilet paper, some towels. They gave me plenty of that. See, another towel right there hanging. And then more pictures and stuff. And it's really nice. And I have a lot of good stuff. I got the kitchen sink right here. Very clean. And then I got the stove, the refrigerator. I even got a blender right here. I got some coffee maker. I got toast, paper towel, cabinets to put your stuff. And I think this is a dishwasher right here, folks. As I'm panning. Wow. And then I can put some stuff right here if I wanted to. And I think this is a laundry room. Let's see, folks. Yes, it is. I think this is the dryer, and then below is the washer machine. You got everything right here for free. Got some soap and everything. See, right here, soap. And to wash your clothes. Oh man, this is great. And then let's see. Another like a little couch, whatever you call that. It's nice. Wow. And then let's check out the view. Wow. That's the pool, the swimming pool. Wow. I think I might be able to see airplanes flying at night. Isn't it cool? I don't think I will be able to see some planes fly at night, but there is a pool right there. It's very nice. And wow, you know what? I also want to say this Samsung Galaxy 10 Plus. It's good in low light. It's unbelievable. And this looks like a Picasso painting. Man, this is good and low light. Better than my Canon Mark III, believe it or not. And let's see. You know, I got my nice, comfortable beds. Very nice. I like the headboard, and I like the lamps and everything. It's very great. And then I have a thing to put your stuff. Unbelievable. You can see the backpack, and I don't think there's any noise. Usually when you do some videos in low light, you get to see the noise, so it doesn't really come out sharp and everything. But I'm able to see the TV. This is so sharp. I don't know. It looks really good on my screen, my phone screen. But other than that, I might check it out and upload the video. It might be a different story. It might be different because I might be able to see the noise on the laptop computer. So things could be different. So let's hope this comes out really sharp when I upload this video. See, I got more pictures. And then be sure to check out my the Bordeaux Brasserie French cuisine restaurant. That's a good video because we did some food review, and we grade based on the quality of the food and the presentation. We always look at the presentation of the food and how they present the food. So be sure to check that out, and we will be uploading more videos. So I just want to say thank you, everybody, and we have more videos to come for you guys, and we're going to be uploading more videos, so you can check them out, and you can check the reviews and stuff. We're going to be doing a food tour, a food restaurant tour, so you can see what's going on, and then you make a decision based where we go. And then if you like the idea that this food is good, and like for example, the Bordeaux Brasserie, and then we're gonna give you the ratings and stuff, but then you have to draw your conclusion to go from there. And because everybody has different taste buds, so mine's probably better, or maybe not, I don't know. But I know when it comes to delicious food, we love delicious food. So I like the taste, so I base everything on the taste, the presentation, and how everything works out, and the customer service. I mean, the waitress or the raters, how they present present everything to you. So be sure to check it out. All right, have a nice evening. Take care. Bye.